Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video we are going to understand the use of this keyword. In the previous two video we have used this keyword two places. First was to make a difference between the instance variable and a local variable. We have placed the this in front of the instance variable. So this is used for two places in Java. One is to make a difference between instance variable and local variable. So this is used to make difference between instance variable and local variable. So with the help of this we can differentiate the instance variable and local variable, because if we put this here then this variable will be recognized as an instance variable. If I put this here, this variable would be the instance variable. So it's not possible to pass a value of same variable to the within a same variable. So to make a difference between these two variables, we have to use this keyword. This is the one use of this keyword. The one use is this. Second use is here to call constructor within another constructor. To call constructor within another constructor. Like this. So in place of the name of the constructor, we replace the this keyword. So this is the second use of the this keyword. So this keyword we use two places in Java. First for making a difference between local variable and the instance variable. Second to call the constructor within a constructor. That's all.